And if you haven't guessed yet, this video is how to play Come Together by the Beatles. This video lesson is especially prepared for Henry, who's going to play the rhythm part on the upcoming student concert. And he's going to be out of town for several weeks between now and then, so I wanted to be able to practice it on his own. For the opening riff, we're going to start off on the 10th fret, 9, 10. So our ring finger is going to use the 12th fret. We're going to hit the 6th string twice. And then we're going to play the 5th string on the 10th fret and hammer on the 12th. And then when I play it acoustically, I play both the 4th and the 3rd string on the 10th fret. Even with the band, I don't see that it hurts that much. What I believe they're playing on the album, though, is just the 4th string. So it looks something like this. And the bass and keyboard are filling in the rest of the notes. But I think that sounds kind of cool. So, once again. Okay, and after the opening riff, we're going to play a rhythm part that's in pretty much the same spot. First finger, 6th string, 10th fret. Ring finger, 5th string, 12th fret. We're going to play what I call a 5-6 rhythm, or a blues boogie rhythm, however you want to look at it. You start off there and on 1 and, both downstrokes, 1 and, then you're going to put your pinky on 13, 14. 2 and, 3 and, back to 12th fret, 4 and. So just alternating, 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and, 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. Just like that, and that's all there is to it. Now you're going to change chords on this. If you can look at the chord chart, or you can look at the tab, either one, both are PDFs down below this video. But either way, you're going to see that when you get to the A7, as in he got hair down to his knee, all you got to do is slide this down to the 5th fret. You're playing the same thing, it's just a little bit more of a stretch for your pinky. And slide back down to the G on the 3rd fret. And just let it ring while the drum thing does its thing. Doom, da-doom, doom, da-doom. Back to the beginning. Back to rhythm. And that's all there is to it. Oh, until you get to the come together part, the chorus. And then you've already done the verse. You end up on the G7. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Add your pinky on the 4th string, slide the whole thing up to the 7th fret, the 3rd dot. Play it nice and loud. Come together right now. Notice we're just sliding that down. 7, a B on 7, A on 5, a G on 3. Up on the A, I like to slide a little bit. Over me. Shoot me. Shoot me. And frankly, that's all there is to the rhythm part. All you have to do is learn where they fit in the song, looking at the charts, listening to the original recording. It should be pretty easy to do this. So, Henry, you should play it perfectly come July 18th. Don't forget to check below in the links for tabs, charts, and other videos for how to play the solo parts and the bass parts for this song. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and thank you for watching.